All right, since we made bacon the other day, thinking grilled cheese with bacon, that's always really good. So, I don't have any softened butter. This is gonna have to do. All right, I like that cheap cheese, y'all. It melts so well. Let this heat up. Get a little bit golden before I flip it. I'll get back to you. All right, let's flip it. Ha ha ha. Look at that. Grilled cheese with bacon, y'all. Just like everything else I cook. Doesn't take a whole lot. It's fairly quick and easy. I'm gonna let this finish. I'll let it get ooey gooey. Get back to you. All right, ought to be ooey gooey now. Check it out. Bacon. Grilled cheese and bacon. Quick and highly recommended and cheap.